Everglades Safari Park is a fun place and I want to show you more. But before we go on an exciting airboat ride, here is a chilling interview with one of the young gator handlers.
In 2011, I was doing a show and I was talking about how they have the sensors inside of their mouth, and normally when I want to show to the audience how the sensors work, I put a little stick onto the sensors and they close their mouth. But this time the alligator stayed with the stick in his mouth, which would eventually fall out. It's not a big deal. The audience kept pushing for me to remove the stick, and I went ahead and I went to go move the stick, but he just so happened to look up while my hand was coming down, and my thumb touched the sensor, and the tooth came to the outside of the skin here. And when it opened up, there was a lot of blood coming out. The audience completely freaked out, but it wasn't the alligator's fault. He wasn't trying to bite me. In fact, when he came down, he opened his mouth pretty much right away.
You're very humble. You don't blame the gator.
Yeah, and that was the only time.
Okay, thank you so much for the story. I appreciate that.
No problem. Thank you for coming.
Yeah, you bet. I'm going to take you with me now as we go on a search for 15-foot alligators and 20-foot pythons through the Florida Everglades.
Hey folks, can all stand up, take pictures if you like. Take advantage of this beautiful scenery out here, guys.
That was a fun ride, and it was a great day here at Everglades Safari Park in Miami, Florida.